So today we're going to talk about Amazon improvement on the video section of the Echo Show. So to get to the video section, as always, you have to swipe and then you go into video. Now when you go into video, you're going to see some tiles. So they call them video skills, but this is what Amazon has done to the video section now, which is a big improvement because when you went into video previously, you would only see pretty much the Prime Video. This is what you would run into. But now, as you can see, they've added some skills to video so you can access more content from different providers. Okay, so these are the only available skills that's available on the Echo Show at the current time. Hopefully Amazon will add some more in there like Pluto TV, YouTube, and some other stuff like IMDb TV, a service that they provide themselves, so that we can watch more videos on this big screen that we have right here, even on the Echo Show 8 and the Echo Show 5. So if you go into Prime Video, if you have the Prime account, of course you got access to all the Prime videos and you can watch whatever is provided via that service. So all these videos are available to you. Tubi is going to provide you, movies in different categories that you can watch at any time. It's on demand. So if I go into action, for instance, you can see all the action movies that they're providing right now that I can click on and start watching at any time. If you have a Hulu account, then you can watch videos from Hulu by linking it to your Amazon account.
Here's Hulu. Please link your accounts.
And then you can do the same for NBC. Now for NBC, you're going to need some type of subscription service that you're already using. So if you go into it.
Here's NBC. Please link your accounts.
She's going to tell you that you have to link your account to one of these service providers that you already have. And last but not least that they have on the list is Food Network Kitchen. So you can click on that one.
Here's Food Network Kitchen. Please link your accounts.
And then you'd have to link this account to your Amazon account. So after you sign up or log in, then it's going to give you the option to choose a plan. So you can stick with the free plan or you can go with a premium plan. That's up to you. I'm going to stick with a free plan. Continue as a free member.
Please wait while setup is completed. This process can take several minutes.
And now my Food Network Kitchen app is ready to go. Now the free plan is ad supported, so yes, you have to deal with some ad. Now if you decide to upgrade to the premium plan later on down the road, you will get step-by-step tutorial, full episodes without any commercial, live classes with chef, and on-demand cooking classes. So those are the benefits with going with the premium plan. Now if you want to see more about this app, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go over to the website and read more about it. See all the chefs that they have to offer and all the different services they provide using this Food Network Kitchen app. Alright, so those are the apps that I wanted to cover that Amazon has added to the video skills section of the Echo Show. But I'm hoping they will add more stuff to this part of the video skill, like a YouTube app for instance, and a Pluto TV app. And now that you can access Disney Plus on your Fire TV, let's hope that they add this skill to the Echo Show so you can access Disney Plus and watch some shows while you're in the kitchen, for instance. So let's hope that they improve on this video skills section of the Echo Show in a timely manner. Another thing I would like to see them do as they add more tiles to the video skills section is to make these icons much smaller so you can make them square instead of rectangle. That way you can fit more on the screen at one time instead of these bigger tiles where you have to keep on strolling and strolling and strolling to get to the bottom ones. Now one thing I would love them to also do is do the same thing for the music section. So let's have some of those tiles like you have on the video section, but on the music side. Tiles like Pandora, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, even Amazon Music and Apple Music. I would love to see those icons on this screen right here so I can choose whatever music service I want to listen to at that time by just touching it on the screen instead of seeing the recently played music. So Amazon, if you're out there listening to me, let's add some tiles to the music section because I like what you're doing to the video section, but we also need to do it on the music section so I can choose whichever music service I want to listen to, just like I can choose any one of these video services that you're providing on screen right now. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you have any comments that you want to weigh in on this topic, go ahead and leave it in the comment section and let's talk about it. Other than that, I want to thank you for taking your time for watching this video. Have a good one and I'll see you next time.